Yep, already bet. Yep. Vacuum challenge on deck, baby! Come on! Alright. Step in it. Y'all ready? You ready? Wait, I should probably fix the camera angle. Is that better? So we zoom out. Is that better? That probably is better. Alright, come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. And I have to squat down, right? Squat down and what? Oh, and put it like over my neck, right? You scared me. Nothing. I'm not. Yo. Mothers are sometimes weird, chat. Alright, count down from 10 right now. Count down from 10. Count down from 10, chat. Y'all ready? 10, 9, 8, below the neck. Vacuum challenge. Right freaking now. Wait, it's not starting. Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn! How do wait? Hold on! Wait! I can't move! Wait! I can't move! Oh God! I can't move! I swear to God! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Hey! 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 Mom! 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 Hey! Mom! 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 I'm straight. Huh?
That's enough.
I know. I didn't know it was gonna do that.
That's enough.
I didn't know it was gonna do that.
No, that's enough. You're tripping.
Sorry. Sorry. I didn't know, bro. I'm about to do it again, bro. I'm about to do it again. I'm about to do it again, bro. I'm about to do it again. I'm about to do it again, bro. Fuck that. Who you? That's enough. That's enough. Huh? That's enough. Guess what? Speed is never enough. There's never enough. There's never enough. That's enough. Hold on. Fuck is you talking about, boy? That's enough. Chat, that's enough. That's enough. Come on now, bro. Stop playing with me, chat. We're doing it again, bro. We're doing it again. We're doing it again. We're doing it again. Fucking mean that's enough. What? Vacuum challenge part 2. Vacuum challenge part 2. Count down from 10. Count down from 10. Y'all ready? Y'all ready, chat? Damn! This is strong! I gotta get stronger! You have to get stronger! You have to get stronger! Whew. It's like a damn workout, chat. I can't move, I swear to God. I swear to God I can't move, chat. I swear to God I can't move. I cannot move. I can't move, I swear, look. Hold on, wait. Hey. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, wait. Chat, how am I gonna turn it off? Wait. How am I gonna turn it off? Wait. Wait, how am I gonna turn it off? Chat, help. Hold on, wait. Chat, how am I gonna turn the vacuum off? Hey, chat, help, hold on. Oh, fuck, I didn't think about that. Oh, no, I don't want to call for my mama, dog. I don't want to call for my mother. Yo, somebody turn the... Yo! Ma! Chat, help me! Help me! Damn, bruh. I gotta get out of here. I'm panicking, dog. Calm down. I'm panicking. I'm panicking for no reason. Calm down. Get off of me! Jerome! Help me, bro! Help me! Help me! What the fuck, you stupid? Help me! What is you doing, bro? What are you doing? I'm dying, bro. You not helping me? I'm about to call the police on you, bro. Look at my body, chat. Look at my body. Oh, gosh. Yo, smell this.